The bison is a symbol of the American West. For thousands of years, these magnificent creatures roamed the Great Plains. They were essential to the lives of the native people. The bison provided food, clothing, shelter, and tools. They were a central part of our ceremonies and our spiritual beliefs. We honored the bison, and they, in turn, sustained us. The Great Plains ecosystem evolved with the bison. Their grazing habits shaped the landscape. Their hooves churned the soil, making it fertile for other plants. The bison were part of a delicate balance, a web of life that connected all things. The relationship between the bison and the native people was one of respect and reciprocity. We took only what we needed, and we used every part of the animal. This ensured that nothing was wasted, and the bison herds remained healthy and abundant. Our lives were intertwined, and we thrived together on the vast prairie. In the 19th century, the world of the bison changed forever. Settlers from the east moved westward, bringing with them a different way of life. They saw the bison as a commodity to be exploited, not as a creature to be respected. The slaughter began. Millions of bison were killed. Their hides were taken for profit, their bones left to bleach in the sun. The once vast herds were reduced to a pitiful few. The silence on the prairie was deafening. It was a loss that echoed through the generations. The near extinction of the bison had devastating consequences for the Great Plains ecosystem. The delicate balance was disrupted. The prairie, once teeming with life, became fragmented and degraded. The disappearance of the bison was a tragedy for nature and a profound loss for the native people. Our way of life, so deeply connected to the bison, was forever altered. In recent years, there has been a growing movement to restore the bison to the Great Plains. Native American tribes have been at the forefront of these efforts. We remember the sacrifices the bison made for our people. We understand the importance of bringing them back. Ranchers and conservationists have joined us in this movement. Together, we are working to establish new herds of bison on private and public lands. We are reclaiming the prairie, acre by acre. We are bringing back the thunder of hooves to this land. The process of restoring the bison is slow and challenging. It requires patience, dedication, and collaboration. But we are guided by a vision of the future, a future where the bison once again roam free, a future where the prairie ecosystem is restored to its former glory. We are working to heal the wounds of the past and to create a more sustainable future for all. Section 4. Healing the land, honoring the past, a new beginning. The return of the bison is already having a positive impact on the Great Plains. Their grazing habits are helping to restore the health of the prairie. Their presence is attracting other wildlife, bringing back the diversity that once defined this ecosystem. The land is healing, and with it, so are we. The restoration of the bison is about more than just bringing back an animal. It is about restoring a relationship between a people and a place, a relationship between humanity and nature. It is about honoring the past while creating a better future. The bison's return is a symbol of hope. It shows that even in the face of great loss, we can find a way to heal. We can restore what has been broken. We can create a world where both people and nature can thrive. Section 5. The bison's return, a lesson for the future. The story of the bison is a story of resilience, of the enduring power of nature, and the importance of listening to the wisdom of the ancestors. It is a story that has the power to inspire us all. The earth is a sacred gift. We must treat it with respect and care. When we work together, we can achieve great things. We can restore damaged ecosystems. We can bring back species from the brink of extinction. We can create a world that is healthy and vibrant for generations to come. Let the return of the bison be a beacon of hope for a brighter future. Let us all learn from the past and work together to protect our planet and all its creatures. The time to act is now. Our children and grandchildren are depending on us.